जिम्मेवार मंत्री को बर्खास्त करो।
Hello, I am Dr. Vinay Gupta from Sansar Kranti, Desi Dekh Bina Break. Apart from agitating and protesting against the 3 farmers bill that have been introduced in Parliament, the farmers are agitating today in the Secretariat Kaithal against the thrashing of 5 farmers in Lakhimpur Kheri, and no action has been taken against the Central Minister of State Ajay Mishra in that incident. We have with us is a young leader from District Kaithal who has been newly appointed on the post of District President on the Sayukt Kisan Morcha of District Kaithal. Hello.
Hello, sir.
What's your good name?
My name is Sahil Chahal.
So today's agenda, on which thing you are agitating?
Sir, we are agitating as we are agitating since like 11 months, since last 11 months. Basically, we are agitating today for 2 or 3 demands. The first one is like the minister Ajay Mishra should resign from the post so that a fair investigation can be done against his son.
But his son has already been nabbed by the police and interrogation and investigation is on. Then why you are demanding the resignation of Ajay Mishra?
As I mentioned, a fair investigation can be done only if the minister would resign.
So I am looking on your banner in which it is written that the penalty for burning the parali should be withdrawn. Why are you demanding that? Because burning of parali is causing pollution.
Sir, we are not burning parali like as a lot of parali. We are not burning. We are using parali in many another like for many another motives. Like we are feeding this animals, and apart from that, at farmers' houses, there are plethora of uses of parali. We are only burning that much parali, which is a waste for the farmers. We are not burning a huge amount of parali.
I already seen you stopping the trains for agitating against that issue, and now you are agitating in Secretariat Kaithal. So where it will end?
Sir, it will not end. If government want to an end, then they have to take steps. They have to take back the black laws which they have they are just imposing the laws on us. Like there is something like if someone is coming to you and he is saying, ma'am, this is very beneficial for you, please take it. If we are saying like we need not your best wishes and we need not your goodwill for us, then why they are imposing the laws on us? We are denying them. So they should take back the laws.
So we have one more leader with us from District Kaithal. सर क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा होशियार सिंह है।
सर होशियार जी, आप आज क्यों प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर?
देखिए, जो 3 हफ्ते पहले हमारे किसानों के ऊपर बेरहमी से मारा गया था गाड़ी चढ़ाकर अजय मिश्रा के लड़के ने, और आज हमारी डिमांड है जो संयुक्त मोर्चा की, वे सभी ऑल इंडिया में सभी जो भी सेक्रेटरीट हैं उन पर धरना देंगे और उसके 2 बजे ज्ञापन देंगे डीसी साहब को और अपने राष्ट्रपति के नाम।
I will ask the cameraman to flip the camera on the other side so that we can show that a large number of farmers have gathered here in this protest. होशियार जी, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि उनके लड़के को तो उनसे पूछताछ जारी है और उनको अनुसंधान में शामिल कर लिया गया है, तो आप मंत्री का क्यों मांग रहे हैं इस्तीफा?
देखिए, वो धारा 120B के तहत जब कोई भी कांड करना है, कोई भी कार्य करना है, तो घर के मेंबर को सभी को पता होता है। उसका मेन जो केस है उसका डैडी पे पड़ता है, क्योंकि वो आज मंत्री है। अगर वो पद से नहीं हटा तो निष्पक्ष जांच नहीं होने देंगे। हम सरकार से, राष्ट्रपति से गुहार करते हैं वे उस पर FIR दर्ज हो और उसको अंदर किया जाए।
सर, आपका मेन जो आंदोलन था वो 3 कृषि कानूनों को लेकर था। अब उसका सब्सिडरी आंदोलन ये हो गया कि उन मिनिस्टर पे भी कार्रवाई हो। कहाँ रुकेगा ये सिलसिला सर?
देखिए, जहाँ जहाँ भी गलती करेंगे, अब उन्होंने टोहाना कांड किया था, टोहाना में भी हमने अपने साथियों को छटवाया, हिसार से छटवाया, करनाल से छटवाया है। अगर ये गलत काम करेंगे तो एक आंख हमारी उधर है, एक खेती में, और जो हमारे किसान साथियों के ऊपर को गलत काम करेगा उनके साथ तो हमें खड़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि आगे कौन आएगा फिर? अब वो किसान शांति प्रिय अपना प्रदर्शन करके आ रहे थे, उनके ऊपर गाड़ी चला दी, क्या कसूर था उनका?
संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा का अगला कदम क्या होगा कि अगर इसके बाद भी, क्योंकि आपने रेल भी रोकी, उसके बाद आप यहाँ प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, अगर अब भी कार्रवाई नहीं हुई फिर क्या करेंगे?
जो संयुक्त मोर्चा आदेश देगा उसके हिसाब से, जो भी हमारे 40 आगू नेता हैं, जो भी आज्ञा आदेश देंगे उसके हिसाब से।
So you are looking here in the pictures that the leaders are continuously addressing the gathering of the farmers that have been gathered here to protest against the Lakhimpur Kheri incident that happened few days ago, in which 5 farmers were killed, and it has been alleged by the farmers that the father of Ashish Mishra, Ajay Mishra, who is currently serving as Central Minister of State, Ajay Mishra, should immediately be resigned so that he cannot hamper the process of investigation as alleged by the farmers. So this is our special presentation from Secretariat Kathal in English language. If you like this presentation and also wish that we continue these kind of presentations in future, do like and share this video as much as possible. I am Dr. Vinay Gupta from Sansar Kranti with my assistant cameraman Rajiv. Desi Dekh Bina Break.